Welcome back. One cow and two buffaloes died after electrocution at Pale Sirida on Saturday afternoon. Cattle got electrocuted after coming in contact with rusted electricity poles. People are demanding electricity department to change the rusted poles as they are posing danger to animal and human life.
The incident happened in a field at Pare in Shiradaon at around 12 in the afternoon. The bottom of the electricity pole is rusted. Cattle were grazing in the field when the incident happened. While grazing, cattle came in touch with electricity pole and got electrocuted. Owner of the cattle Jnaneshwar Kankonkar wants government to compensate him for the livestock loss.
शॉक लायटीचो आसतलो न्हू लायटीचो शॉक एक गामणी आसली गाय आनी मूस दुधाची आनी रेडो एक व्हडलो बैल कितले नुकसान म्हाका कमी 1.5 लाख ते नुकसान जालें.
Punch member Vasudev Kunkalkar says they want electricity department to remove the rusted electricity pole.
तो फोन येयला आनी ते शॉक प्रॉब्लम ते जाला आनी ते शॉक येवपाक कारण ते म्हणजे इमिजिएट हे करपाक चेंज करपाक हांव हेंचे कडेन हे करलो आनी तेजे कडेन उलयतलो आनी ताका सांगतलो अशें अशें जाला तूं इमिजिएट चेंज कर.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
The semi-finals of GCA's Women's Premier League 2020 have been moved from Margao ground to Porvorim and will be played on Sunday. SATYAKAM Tiswadi Angels will take on Sanquelim Devils in the first semi-final. That will be followed by the encounter between Margao Super Queens and Pride of Pernem. GCA Vice President Dr. Shekhar Salkar revealed the details at a press conference on Saturday.
We have shifted the semi-finals and finals on our GCA Porvorim Stadium. On Sunday, that is 27, we will be having two matches, that is semi-finals. In Group A, Sakri they will have stopped, while runners-up were Margao Super Queens. And in B Group, Pride of Pernem topped the list and SATYAKAM Angels from Panjim were runners-up. So now, first semi-finals will be held at 2 o'clock, 2 to 2:30, maybe on our ground here, Porvorim Stadium. Sanquelim Devil versus SATYAKAM Angels Panjim. First match started around 2:30 by around 6. Second match at 6 o'clock will start, which will be Pride of Pernem versus Margao Super Queens. As we have dedicated this full tournament for the cause of breast cancer, for those patients of breast cancer who have died fighting breast cancer, and also to those people who have survived breast cancer, in whom we see a ray of hope. And our this we have said, where there is love, there is no pain. So that's message what we want to send. We will be distributing a lot of pamphlets. We have a lot of CDs with us. We will be depicting CD on the LED on breast cancer. We have depicted all different posters will be depicted from tomorrow's match. You will be able to see that. We are sending all the clubs and the president and secretaries to watch the IPL matches which will be held in and around Goa, like Bombay, maybe Bangalore, Hyderabad. And if some people want to spend little more money, they can go to other matches also. We are trying to reserve the tickets as much as possible.
The 19th European Union Film Festival has commenced at ESG Martinez Palace from Saturday. Festival will go on from 26th April to 4th May. Hungarian movie Fresh Air was the inaugural cinema. Prudent is media partner for the fest.
We are aware of the importance of such film festivals. Cinema tends to open a window into the culture of the country, the society, its ways, traditions, customs, its beliefs and thought process. Therefore, cinema is an important tool for the promotion of cultural exchange, and we look forward to hosting more such festivals in the coming years. These film festivals are a medium of education for young filmmakers who are creative and interested in developing their skills in cinematography and script writing, etc. I would personally encourage the youth to participate in this festival and be inspired.
During this film festival now, talking about the future, I think that it's a very important and a very contemporary theme has been chosen, namely the youth, for this festival itself. Because historical background, what I was talking about, these are common heritage, and this is our future relations based upon this one. But the real firm basis of our relationship, of our future relationship and cooperation, it must be our youth. So we really have to show something for our youth where
Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.